guys, and welcome back to another unboxing video. My name is Thomas, and today I'll be unboxing a big boy while enjoying some milk. Yeah, for once I'm actually not having something alcoholic, so I guess that's my good deed for the year done. Oh, milk is so good. Oh, right, so the box they sent me is absolutely massive, which I didn't expect, to be honest. But still, I'm very curious. This video is actually under embargo until 30th of January, so this will be releasing around that time, I'm guessing. That's not uncommon, by the way. It's pretty normal for companies to pre-send me something and then ask me to wait until airing a video, which I don't mind at all. It's not a problem. So let's have a. Ooh, hopefully it's not too loud on the microphone. Key then. So, well, there's the keyboard box. Anything else? Looks like just filler material. Get rid of that. Cool. Typical Corsair box. Well, modern Corsair box. It is the Galleon 100 SD. This got sent in by Corsair's new, well, I don't know what it is, PR guy or something like that. The old one left or started doing something else or whatever. I'm not entirely sure anymore. And the new guy immediately came with this project. And looking at the picture, I thought, yes, I want to cover that. So I happily agreed to take a look at this. And yeah, let's dive in. Oh, I love milk. It's so good. Okay, cool. Whew. Stream Deck integrated mechanical keyboard. Clavier mécanique intégré à Stream Deck. In French. Big ass description. Full-sized keyboard with brilliant full-color 720 by 1280 LCD screen. Customizable keys, dials, and screen for instant control while gaming, streaming, or working. This is sounding pretty good, to be honest. App plugins, key icons, profiles, more available on Elgato Marketplace. Oh, interesting. So it ties into Elgato. So Elgato does the Stream Deck thing. I've not covered a Stream Deck keyboard yet, though maybe, well, hopefully at some point I will. Gasket mounting for premium key field press. 8000 Hz hyper polling for lightning fast inputs. Hot swappable MLX pulse linear switches with satisfying hi-fi key press acoustics. I covered the MLX pulse switches before in Corsair's DIY kit keyboard thing a while ago. But this is quite different from that. My longer term viewers will know I really like interesting keyboards, you know, out of the ordinary. And so this is exactly the kind of thing that I like to cover. Cool. Okay, my instructions are a big word, but let's say overview. Excuse me. A blah blah blah. Welcome to What's Next. Galleon 100 SD is more than a new keyboard. It's a new input standard combining Corsair and Elgato engineering to bring deep control and insight to your fingertips. Yeah, blah blah blah, PR marketing thing, whatever. And oh yeah, of course we can't have. Yeah, of course the safety and compliance information. I'm expecting at least 10 of these inside this box. I think there were 12 inside the previous keyboard. So let's have a look. Some sort of cloth bag in here. Obviously that's the keyboard. So let's look at what else is in here. 2 cables, no less. USB-A to USB-C. braided black. Nice. And another one which looks, I think, indistinguishable from it. That's kind of interesting. Maybe the two parts need separate cables. I didn't expect two cables. And oh yeah, this thing, this keycap puller. Now nowadays, pretty much all the keycap and switch pullers I get are the same model, except this one looks very different. Yes. Corsair branded. It's pre-splayed, which I always like. It looks very fancy. Anything else in here? Don't think so. So now we take a look at a crunchy paper. The wrist rest. I think I've seen this model before. Very light, and as I recall, it's magnetic as well. Very soft. We'll use that in a second as well. Oh, best thing in the world. So yes, I need to clean space behind me. Don't worry about it. So the moment of truth. Ooh. Yeah, get rid of this for a second. There you go. It's all black. Very sleek looking. It's got the same styling as modern, well, let's say the current generation of Corsair keyboards. Normally I don't find that particularly good looking, but this one, just in terms of first impressions, it's not so bad. I think it's partially because it's got two dials here and this Stream Deck part, which, you know, may alleviate the issue. I think it looks better, but it'll probably look a lot nicer once I've actually connected it. So yes, it does indeed have 3 ports actually. So it's got a keyboard port, a USB port, and another USB port. So but I only have 2 cables. Okay. Well, yeah, that's magnetic. Well, let's see if we can get this to work. Okay, dynamic lighting ready device detected. Good news, you can control configure your dynamic lighting ready devices in personalization settings. Okay, and wow, it starts talking to me. It's I don't really want to screen it, but otherwise I can't read it because of the reflection of the stereo lights. It looks like it's doing some sort of test and or tutorial. Key light 60%, whatever. I had thought that maybe it would need a second cable to power the Stream Deck, but it seems to work just on its own. Change wallpapers and themes. Okay, so it's going through a whole tech demo. You know, it's kind of annoying. I can't really show that to you like this. Volume dial. Yeah, this is really a tutorial. Turn volume knob to adjust volume. I can skip that though. There's a skip button for it. Yeah, interesting. I might actually disconnect that for a second because this cable that I'm using, which is very good, is also very short. So I'm going to see if I can use it with this thing and then the pass-through that I've set up here on the table. I have quite a lot of USB connections and ports and whatnot at the ready here, which is always useful. Okay, try that out as well. Yeah. Whoa, okay. So, yes. There you go. The Corsair, what was it? Galleon 100 SD or something like that. I think so, yeah. So here you can see the Stream Deck part. And you can see the, I guess it's media keys, right? I saw a play and a pause and whatnot. Yeah, exactly. 1 kilohertz, theme 1, whatever. And the screen itself, I must say, it looks very professional and quite high resolution. Wow. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I kind of want to show it without the reflection of the studio lights. Like so, I don't know. Pretty cool and pretty big. Now they did brand this as a full-size keyboard on the box, which is and isn't true because it's a TKL plus what you could call a numpad, but it's not a numpad. So, but it is the size of a full size. So, I don't know. Potato, potato. Still, let me do some test sentences on this. So that's pretty nice, really. These two knobs here, they control, yeah, that's volume, and this is, oh, this cycles between different layers, I think. Yeah, I think this cycles between different layers. So the display here is currently just showing the the Corsair logo, but if I turn this, you can see it changes between 2 different modes, which is kind of cool. I don't know how many profiles you can have with this, but being able to switch between them with a knob like that is pretty cool. I should say I don't actually have experiences with Stream Deck keyboards myself, but it should be pretty useful. Excuse me, I don't stream myself or anything like that, but I do occasionally play amateur DJ. I record DJ sets, I should say. So at the moment I'm using this thing, the whatever. This thing, this macro pad with a volume thing on it and a couple of keys which I use in my DJ software, and that's pretty nice. But something like this, maybe even better. So, so that should be cool, right? I'm looking forward to trying out what you can do with this. Oh, and by the way, I should say that the mode that is on at the moment does show an actual numpad at the side. So yeah, when it's set up like this, it definitely is a full-size keyboard, even, well, in any sense of the word, really. Huh. So it alternates between numpad and shortcuts mode specifically. Oh my. Whew. This is going to be a fun video, I can already tell. There's loads of experimenting I can do with this. Nice. Always fun when companies put out something interesting like this. Nice. Thanks, Corsair, for this keyboard, and thank you guys for watching. I think I've been waffling on for long enough by now, so I guess I'll keep it at that. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video, and see you later. Bye, guys.